Hello there and welcome. This is one of the cheapest ring lights available on the market. 12-inch. We're gonna do the unboxing right now. Nothing left. It costs around, I don't know, in dollars it would be $15. This is the main light source. These are the main controls. This is the switch on and off. This is for choosing the light mode. There are 3 modes. And this to dim the light. I'm gonna use my phone charger because it has a USB port. This is for your phone. These are the other accessories. Okay. This goes, I think, in here. Yes. It goes right here. I'm gonna plug it and see how it works. Okay. This is it. This is on and off. This is on. I'm gonna change it to other modes. This is another light, which is cold light. And that's a warm light. And that's the normal light. You can dim down the light. This is the last level. The level of light starts from here and it goes all the way to this. It goes up and down like this, which is really cool. This is for warm light and that's for cold light. And that's normal light. Okay. I think I like it. I mean, for the price, for the cheap price, it's really nice. I bought it mainly for my drawings. I always have the problem of shadow with my drawings, but now if I want to draw, there will be no shadows, which is cool. That's what I bought it. I'm gonna show it to you mounted to a tripod so that you get the idea. This is it, mounted to a tripod. You can change the angle. Oops, sorry. You can get it to stand up, whatever you want, and then tighten it right here. Okay. These are the controls. First switch to switch it on. Then you can dim down the light, or you can make it go up. Don't know if you can see it clearly. And this changes. This is a cold light, this is a warm light, this is a regular light. I'm gonna dim it down. Yep. And then up. And that turns it off and on. You can adapt the position however you want. You can make it go up, turn it right and left. You can make the phone portrait mode or landscape. You can do whatever you want.